sacred science ratio harmonics have been discovered for the Great Sphinx. Here are some ratios we will use to start with. 27.322 days as moon orbit x 324 cycles. 365.2422 as days in a year x 24, which simplifies to 8, 852, 328, 8765, 81 equal sign, 86, 518. So we will explain an example of harmonics now. 86.51 is the number we need, which can be significantly noted in this case because we got the final number we need. But the digits go longer for the constants, so we will now loop to the same product using these. 27, 3, 2, 1, 6, 6, 0, 8, 7, 9, 6 x 324, 365, 2, 4, 2, 1, 9, 9, 0, 7, 4, 0, 7 x 24, which simplifies to 8,852.21812,499, 8,765, 812-77778 equal sign 86, 40534721 days. Now we take a grounding and centering 137 from the fine structure constant in quantum physics and subtract 86 from it to get 51. Now the 137 is holding a 137 of the golden ratio angle as well after its, we could call it a quantum physics shambhavi pining for the golden ratio kundalini for this samyama, namaste. So we take 51 and add it to the 86 like this, 86.51, and now we have our new ratio, which aligns with the first answer. Then flip it to 51.86 for harmonics to the slope angle of the Great Pyramid of Egypt, as well as for, especially here in this video, a measurement of the Sphinx. When the length of the Sphinx is found at 73.34 m, then let it be the diagonal of two farthest corners of a square, and then each side is equal to 51.86 meters. Each side is equal to 100 Nippur cubits. If 100 Nippur cubits are multiplied to 8,640 ratio, which 51.86 was derived from, then we get 864000, which is how many miles the diameter of the sun is. The Sphinx is facing towards the rising sun in the east. The Sphinx is 240 feet long, and 24 years times 10 gives us 240, while we understand that 24 gives us the 86.40 ratio. So 8,640 x 10 gives us how many seconds are in a day. 86.40 is a 8,640 ratio, so that is a tenth of a day in seconds. 24-year harmonic can be aligned with the ancient Egyptians' attraction to 24-hour time of a day. 864,000, 86400, and 24 hours, 8,640, 86.40, and 24 years all have to do with the sun, and the Sphinx is a representation of sun wisdom and culture. The Sphinx aligns with the sun during the spring equinox, which is much like east symbolically. The Sphinx is 240 feet long, 66 feet high, 62 feet wide. The Sphinx is the oldest known monumental sculpture in Egypt and one of the most recognizable statues in the world.